Hello my friends and welcome to Koon's Kitchen. As you see, I'm not in my kitchen today. I'm here in Key Largo and I thought it would be fun to film a little bit of a different video where I take you to the restaurants where we eat in the Keys and show you some nice seafood. And yeah, we're staying at this Bayside Inn, little inn hotel here in Key Largo. It's very beautiful. You have this little beach here and a very nice and simple room, and we're spending most of the time outside and enjoying delicious Key Largo food. So tag along and see what we have to eat, and maybe this will help you plan your next trip to the Keys. All right, let's go. Our first stop was Snappers in Key Largo, right when we arrived. It's a lovely laid-back spot right on the water and with a big outdoor deck where you can sit and enjoy the breeze. I definitely recommend sitting outside if you can. That's where you really feel the whole Keys vibe. They had island and country music playing. The weather was perfect, just that gentle for the fall breeze. Will and Jonathan had fun watching tarpon and needlefish swimming by the pier while we waited for the food. I ordered a local wheat beer, which was really good. Jonathan tried the jalapeno margarita, but not his favorite, a bit too watery. And since we had an early lunch, we decided to share two appetizers. We tried Snapper's famous blue crab cakes, which came with creamy coleslaw and that tangy, citrusy mayo sauce. They were absolutely delicious, soft on the inside, crispy on the outside, and just full of flavor. These are the king crabs. We also had the ceviche made with local fish, mango and pineapple. It was kind of a fresh, slightly tropical twist with crispy chips on the side, and really good and a little different. Will was happy with his fries, but he did steal a bite of the crab cake too. And we were lucky, Vince was asleep the whole time when we were there. And it's definitely a bit of a challenging time filming food content while juggling a toddler and a baby. But I do my best, as you see. That night we had dinner at the Conch House. It's this charming little spot right off the overseas highway. You're walking through what feels like a fairy tale garden. It's so cute. And the restaurant itself has this cozy, homey vibe. It's not that big actually. The only downside though is that you can hear the traffic a bit, so we chose to sit inside. We were actually the only ones there since we came for an early dinner. Will loved his mac and cheese, no surprise there. Vince took another nap. We were really on a lucky streak. I ordered a Caesar salad with blackened mahi-mahi, and it was perfect. The fish had such a good flavor and texture. You want to try? And Jonathan got shrimp and grits. This is a southern classic. If you've never had it before, you should really try it. It's a total comfort food with a little Cajun spicy kick in it. We skipped dessert there because we had heard that Mrs. Mac's Kitchen had an amazing key lime pie, and we really had to go find that out. So this place was so fun, filled with quirky Keys-themed decor and cool details like this license plate lamp over every table. And yes, the key lime pie lived up to the hype. The crust was buttery and crisp, and the filling was perfectly tart, just how we like it. Jonathan and Will had some fun at the bar area before we headed back to the hotel for bath and bedtime. The next morning, we went to Harriet's. It's a tiny breakfast spot right along the overseas highway. It's really popular, so we were lucky to get a table quickly, actually. I ordered their breakfast burrito, thinking it would be easy to eat one-handed while nursing, but that was a big mistake. It was delicious, but as you can see, very saucy and not possible to eat with the hands. Jonathan got a signature breakfast with eggs, bacon, and these enormous pancakes. And Will was also thrilled with his giant pancake and eggs. Lunch that day we ended up at a place called Hog Heaven. It's technically Islamorada because we spent the morning at the Theater of the Sea Sanctuary, which was really great, by the way. I had a mahi-mahi sandwich, something I almost always get when I'm in the Keys. And this one was really good. The fish was cooked just right. Jonathan went for a barbecue plate, and her friends Melissa and Ariana split a brisket burger that looked amazing, and another mahi sandwich. The barbecue was good, but let's be honest, if you're after a world-class barbecue, you should probably go to Texas. That evening, we stayed close to our hotel and had dinner at Snooks. It's a slightly fancier and pricier place. They have live music every night and the atmosphere is so nice and relaxing. It's actually right next to the hotel where we're staying, and we even had 10% off. I totally forgot to film our dishes here, but we shared a caprese salad and a shrimp ceviche, and both were fantastic. On our very last day, we enjoyed the little beach at the hotel before heading north, and we stopped for a late breakfast, or actually more like brunch, at the Hideout, which we've heard great things about. It's a super cute local breakfast spot, actually lunch and breakfast spot with a cozy, homey feel. I ordered a Mediterranean omelette with spinach, tomato, olives, and feta cheese. That's actually a combo I've never tried before, but it was really good, and I'm gonna try and replicate it at home. Jonathan went for a fried shrimp basket, a little on the unhealthy side, but it looked really good. After that, it was time to head back, and we were all full, happy, and already talking about where to eat the next time we're in the Keys.